Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be making falafel, one of the most popular Middle Eastern dishes made in all sorts of countries from Turkey to Lebanon, Syria, Israel, Egypt, probably all around there, around the Mediterranean coast, and it's loved all around North America. And so I thought I'd give you a little bit of my take on it and how I'm going to do it. What I did was I took some dry chickpeas. I like to use dry chickpeas because I think they have a lot more flavor. Soak them overnight. You can see that right over here. You see that? I think that you can see that right there. And they're all nice and plump now and ready to use. I've got some onion, which I'm going to chop in my little chopper. I've got a couple of cloves of garlic. I've got, I don't know, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic over here. I've got some dillweed I'm going to use, some fresh parsley here as well. There you go. And we're going to have some salt, pepper, and a little bit of baking powder, which will hopefully help with a little bit of crisping of it. So let's go ahead and start that. I've got some of my onion already in this thing here. I've already done my little chop. So I basically, a small onion is probably all you need. And we're gonna do this little by little because I don't have my big chopper's gone, so I got a small one, so I'm gonna do it with that. But, you know, it's all good. I'm gonna take a bowl and I gotta put this stuff in there as I go along, so it just makes it a little easier. I'm gonna take that in there. Let's see, that looks good. Here we go. Got that in there. Okay. Put that back in. Okay, that's there, that's there. Let's take same thing. Not even gonna do anything. I'm just gonna take this and put it straight in here. Let's see how this turns out here. Filling this up. That should be good. Okay. Let's do that. That's gonna do here. Oh, looks pretty good. A little chunky. Not so bad. Sometimes it's good to have it chunky. Chunky lunky. There we go. Got that in there. Parsley. I'm just gonna, let's see here. Just pull it off like that. Pop it in there. I mean, the best is if you have a mixer that can fit it all in there, but unfortunately, like I said, another mixer, I don't have it, so I'm just gonna make it like this. Kind of the realistic version of how sometimes you end up at home. You just use what you can. All right, come on in there, buddy. It's okay for it to be chunky. I like it chunky. See, we're gonna put some more garlic here. Got there, everybody. Now, a little bit of salt, a bit of pepper. And we're gonna try to mix this all up nicely. And just a little sprinkling of baking powder. Got a little bit of that baking powder in there. See how we do. Okay. And of course, put my extra virgin olive oil. Let's see how this turns out. We're gonna take a spoon here. Where are we here? Okay. Take a spoon and we're gonna mix that all up. Okay, we're back. So we've got the falafel mix right here, and what we're gonna do is we're going to take some in our hands and we're gonna make them into kind of like an egg. Let's see here. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. So, not too thick. I really like them. I don't like to have them too thick. So that gives you an idea. And we'll just make a whole bunch of these. And let's see. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a pan and we're going to fry them up and see how that all works. Okay, so we've got all of our falafels done and ready to go, and we're gonna pull out the pan and the stove and we're gonna cook these things. So here we go. Pull that out. Boom. How fast can this be? There we go. Plug that in. Turn that on. Oh. Yeah. Like, go. Yep. Okay. Try to break. Hey, some of these guys in here. Oh, it's falling apart. Those. Nice dark color to them. I like that little. That one went a little bit too much. Falling apart. It's okay. It's okay. There we are. That is our falafel. So I'm gonna try one. Let's see here. See how they're kind of, it's coming apart already. Not good. Nice and crunchy on the outside. Still soft on the inside. Hot right now, and so, but got parsley, dill, a little bit of cumin, black pepper, salt. This is perfect. This is a great snack. You can eat this just straight, or get some yogurt, dip it in the yogurt, maybe a garlic yogurt, whatever. Again, this is like kind of what you would call the poor man's meatball, and it's vegetarian. So all your vegetarian friends will like this as well. Easy to make, and yeah, you can put it into a sandwich, have it any which way you like. Again, thanks for joining me here on Alberta Foodie, and I hope to see you next time.